My channel. Sorry, this intro is gonna be like really lame because it's really loud. It's homecoming.
It's homecoming.
But this is. What do you want them to know you as?
For now, you guys. I go by Desi the Nail Bully, but my name's Destiny. So if you want to call me Destiny or Desi the Nail Bully, you know, if you want to make a girl feel famous, y'all can.
Oh, I mean, y'all might not know I can't paint my nails like at all, but I want my nails to look really nice for homecoming. But also, I'm really broke, so she's gonna show me how to. What are we doing?
Making press-ons.
We're gonna make press-ons, and I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah, it's an easy task. It's easier than doing your nails.
We gonna figure it out.
We're gonna take a little piece. A little bit goes a long way. Take a little piece like that. They only messy because I use them a lot. So since we're making these to you, we're going to go ahead and size you up. But your ring finger and this finger is normally the same. So I'm going to test it out. How long did you want to do that?
I don't like long nails because I want to be able to wipe my butt.
You can wipe your ass with long nails now.
No, I can't.
Bad bitch lifestyling for everybody. Let's see. Pretty much be cutting off the same amount. I'm just gonna like cut halfway. So now we're gonna do is shape the nails, straighten it out. Okay, I'm forgetting that you don't know how to do this.
Okay.
Okay.
When I'm looking at you confused.
Right, okay, like. We're gonna go ahead and paint these bad boys. These are pretty easy to paint. I knew exactly what I was doing. You can really get paint everywhere and still get it. And still look nice. Don't do it too thick. Gel polish doesn't like to cure when it's thick. Just white. But it needs to turn clear in order for you to use it. And you need 2 coats so it can be really, really sticky.
Alright, so I kind of finished my nails last night, but I didn't really. They actually put on. We're gonna put them on now. But I just finished the design, and I'll show it to you. Kind of reminds me of Blue's Clues. Nails are finally done, and yes, I wiped the sleep out of my eyes. I just want to give a special shout out and a special thank you to Desi the Nail Bully. She's not here with me right now. I think she's in class, or she might be at work, but I'm gonna show her my nails. I'm gonna send her a picture. But I just want to thank you for doing this video with me, but also thank you for watching. And if you like it, if you love it, subscribe, comment below. Maybe I should, I don't know, I don't want to do acrylic nails. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Y'all know I love a good rhinestone. But until next time, okay, bye.